Welcome everybody. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur, and basically I've made this YouTube channel so you guys can watch my path to my $30,000 a month journey. If you do not know, there's been lots of ups and downs lately, specifically in the last week. I am in a lawsuit right now, and I'm trying to fight it. And so if you want to go back and watch those videos, you can go back. It would make more sense. But basically, I was just working on the back end of my business right now. And then right at this moment, I'm working on my decals and getting these ready for an FBA shipment. I absolutely love this transfer tape that I'm using now. It's just so much more convenient. And then these are my prank bottles that I cannot actually specifically say what they are. But if you go to my Amazon link in bio, you can check them out. But yeah, that's pretty much all I did for Amazon FBA shipments, and I have to finish it tomorrow. This is honestly probably a shorter video than yesterday. I have gotten a couple things ready for tomorrow's FBA shipment. I will send out Monday, but tomorrow I'll just get it all done. Customer orders will be done Monday. Yeah, that is what we're doing today. So I apologize for another short video, but I will see you all tomorrow. So it's all good. Let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. And just a heads up, tomorrow is Father's Day, and maybe another short video. But Monday will be a longer video for sure. So on eBay yesterday, we made $42.60. And on Amazon, we made $506.54, so a little less than yesterday or the day before. So a total of $549, which is, we're about half. This is like a 15K month looking, I think we're gonna do a little bit more than that, hopefully, but it's just, if we're doing $500 a day, $700 a day, that's fine. I'm not complaining, but if we're trying to hit 30K, it's just really tough. I started this journey getting up to 30K, but a lot of things have happened if you've been watching my journey. So I can't gauge it anymore. I know I'm going to hit 30K 100%. I just don't know when at this point, just because there's so many ups and downs, but this is what it's all about. So if you enjoy videos like this, I know this is short, and if this is your first time, usually videos aren't usually this short. It's just lately there's been a lot going on. So my main subscribers, my main people understand. And so if you're new here and you do like these videos, give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so more entrepreneurs can find videos like this to help them out. And then also subscribe down below if you haven't already, if you enjoy these, because I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So I will see you all tomorrow. It's like I said, it might be a shorter video, but I will still make a video, and then Monday will be a longer video. So I hope to see you all there. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.